Have you ever mixed concrete, mortar, or stucco? If so, then you know the challenges, such as material waste, inconsistent mixes, and back-breaking labor. The Mud Mixer is here to take all your problems away. Built with durability in mind, the unit consists of a high-strength and heavy-duty steel body. Our secret is a collection of powerhouse components that come together to create the ultimate machine. Not only will you have a much easier time with your mixing, but the cleaning process is also extremely simple. Versatility is the name of the game here, as the Mud Mixer is suited to projects involving plumbing, pools, decks, patios, hardscaping, pavers, and more. There's a reason why the unit won the Concrete Contractor 2022 Top Products Award. We know exactly what it feels like to deal with imprecise mixes that are either too dry or too soupy. The revolutionary Mud Mixer streamlines the mixing process and turns what used to be a 3 or 4 man job into a 1-person task. Did we also mention the continuous mixing technology that eliminates mixing in batches? Additionally, the electric drivetrain allows for over 45 80-pound bags to be chewed through hourly. Now, nothing is preventing you from winning your projects and increasing the money you take home. If you want to know more about the best portable concrete mixer in the business, give us a call today at 1-806-515-4MUD. 4683.